Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to find TradingView ID. Alright, let's dive into why this is important. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out on TradingView, knowing how to locate your TradingView ID can really enhance your experience. It's especially useful when you want to customize your profile or collaborate with others. So let's simplify this task together. First things first, open up your browser and head over to the TradingView website. You can do this by typing TradingView into your favorite search engine or simply entering the URL directly. Once you land on the home page, make sure to log in with your credentials. It's important to access the right account if you have more than one. If you haven't signed up yet, just pause this video, create your account, and then come back to continue. Now that you're logged in, focus on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon representing your profile, often a circle that might even show your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will show several options related to your account settings and information. In this menu, you'll find your username prominently displayed. Click on your username to visit your public profile page. This page gives a snapshot of your TradingView identity, showing your activity, published ideas, and other account details. But here's what we're really after: your TradingView ID. Look at the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where your browser displays the web address of the page you're currently viewing. What you need to find is the segment of the URL that comes after https://www.tradingview.com/u. This part is your TradingView ID. For example, if the URL reads https://www.tradingview.com/your username, then your username is essentially your TradingView ID. This unique identifier represents your account within TradingView's ecosystem. Make sure to note it down, either digitally or on paper for future use. You'll need it when sharing your profile with others or when setting up integrations that require personal identification on TradingView. If you encounter any issues, just double check that you're logged into the correct account. And there you have it. Finding your TradingView ID is as straightforward as locating it in your profile page's URL. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to find TradingView ID. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, PMN Online.